G'day and welcome to BENSWORX. Most of you guys know that I love my resin casting and making my dragon eggs, but lately I've wanted to try an art pour, so I ordered some resin from Just Resin and also picked up their new 1-to-1 diamond coat, and I'm going to add some pigments, and Nicole and I are going to try a hand at our first art pour. Well guys, what do you think of our art pour? Or should I say Nicole's art pour? She did a fantastic job. She chose all the colours and the glitter, and I think it looks amazing. With this being our first pour, we learnt a few things. One is I probably wouldn't add the dimethicone again. The silicone just really played havoc with the resin. The other thing are these drips on the backside here. Even though we were wiping them down with our finger, because resin takes such a long time to cure, that was still dripping over time. I do quite like the effect, but when you go to hang it on the wall, it does impede a little bit. So if you guys have any solutions to this, leave me a comment down below. The diamond coat that we used last as the flood coat worked really good because it's really thick and it doesn't flow off like normal resin. Well, that's all for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to see Nicole make a few more art pours, let her know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.